Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're revisiting one of the most audacious imposter cases in true crime history. Christian Gerhartsreiter, better known as Clark Rockefeller. He conned his way into elite circles, was exposed for kidnapping, and ultimately convicted of murder. So, where is Christian Gerhartsreiter now? Let's break it all down. Christian Gerhartsreiter is a German-born imposter who, for decades, posed under numerous identities: a faux Rockefeller heir, an English aristocrat, even a Hollywood producer. His most infamous alias, Clark Rockefeller, helped him marry into privilege and live off his wife's wealth until it unraveled. His first major crime emerged in 2008 when he kidnapped his own daughter during a supervised visit. He was arrested and convicted, but the case took a darker turn when investigators linked him to a cold case from 1985, the murder of the son of his San Marino landlady. Bones were found buried in the backyard where he'd once lived. Where is Christian Gerhartsreiter now? As of now, Christian Gerhartsreiter is serving a life sentence at San Quentin State Prison in California. He was convicted of first-degree murder in 2013 and given a sentence of 26 years to life. With time already served and good behavior credits, he's eligible for parole in December 2029, with a parole hearing currently scheduled for November 2028. From elite pretender to convicted murderer behind bars, the fall of Christian Gerhartsreiter is as dramatic as it is chilling. Now confined to prison with a chance for parole in the near future, his story remains a cautionary tale of deception gone terribly wrong. What do you think? Should he be granted parole, or is the risk too great? Let us know in the comments. If this update caught your attention, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into truly perplexing stories. Until next time, stay intrigued and stay safe.